The cold still bites to the bone, imagining you here with me. Both of us drinking a cup of hot chocolate and talking about anything. I still spell your name, hoping you'll come to see me. But my hope is just an empty illusion. There's no